Vlog tayo guys kahit hindi pa ako ready mag-vlog. Nakatanggap ako dito ng package and si Tammy nandito sa telepono. Sabi pa niya, he told me to open it. Say hi, Han.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, I'm
You
gonna...
open it?
Hold on. It's heavy. He said that it's a surprise, guys. But it's not for me. It's for us. I don't know this. Hold on. Wow, what the heck is this? It's heavy too, guys. Thomas, tudadu. So, open natin, guys. Tignan natin, ha. Mabigat na naman ito. Adoy, parang meron na naman akong idea nito. Why it's heavy? Wow. Oh my God, Han. It's the same thing what you ordered the last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there a little plastic card there that looks like a credit card?
Yeah.
Only clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is this for?
Well, if you look at the back of one of those silver things, you'll see a little round surface back. And you put that over it, it should say something.
Oh, there is a silver round in the back of each of them. Why the other one doesn't have it?
Because I had to pay extra for that.
Honey, oi.
But
It doesn't see anything.
does it say anything?
No.
That's not good.
Do I have to take it out from the bag?
Probably.
Can you do it when you get home?
Yep. There should be 6 of them in there, right?
Yeah, 6 of them.
Okay.
Ay, Han, you are crazy, Han.
Leave the card and stuff in the box. Put it on top of the dresser.
Why this is different from the other one? Oh, they are the same.
Shouldn't be different. They should be the same thing.
Ay, nanay, ay. Oh, we're gonna talk when you get home. You have to tell me why.
Okay then.
Okay, then don't okay.
Investment.
You cannot.
No, why?
Why you don't tell me? That's my thing.
That you think? Is that what we're going with?
Mm-hmm.
It's a card. Push the card over the back of it so you see lettering show up in it.
Okay, so I have to take the silver also out from the plastic.
Yeah, I don't know if you have to take it out of plastic or not.
Oh no, it's double plastic. You cannot even get rid of the plastic cup wrapping the silver.
Okay.
So hold on.
It should work with plastic, so I don't know why it doesn't.
No, this is fake. It doesn't see anything.
Maybe it doesn't work with plastic. Maybe it has to be like nothing between that card and silver. Or maybe you're not using the card right. I don't know.
Anyway, guys, so I guess that's really it. Pass it. My crazy husband. You're crazy.
All
Man.
right. Just let you know I'm here.
I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, he's got to get his moment because I really got to eat.
I will talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye. Love you.
Yeah. Love you too. Bye.
Ito yung sabi ko sa inyo. Then, meron na namang magagalit. Hindi mo man yan pira. Pira man niya yun. Mag-try kayo mag-asawa. Sabihin nyo sa akin na hindi ako nangialam ng pera ng asawa ko. Wala talaga. Kahit anong gawin niya, ipang babae niya yan or anik-anik. Wala akong pakialam kasi pira niya yun, di ba? Sabihin na, ang daming nagsasabi, pira niya yan, pira niya yan. Wala kang kwenta, wala kay pakialam, kay pira niya yan. Pag sure, good mo ibalik natin siya dito. Kasi para hindi masira. Kaluka, ito yung kinaano ko sa asawa ko, guys, kasi Mahilig siyang mahilig siyang mag ganito ba? Magbili-bili ng mga sa future para daw sa future. Mahilig ganyan yan siya. Maluka ka na lang. Wala pala si Tammy, andun siya sa trabaho, nandun siya sa Manhattan. Ngayon, nasa city siya. Umalis siya kanina mga... Anyway guys, bye! Ito lang yung kaluka. Guys, so ngayon, maghanap tayo ng rice. Ay, meron pa ako ditong rice. Pero, kailangan ko atang bumili pa. Kasi ang daming walang laman. Walang laman. What is la cucaracha love? Why you lucky cucaracha again? Cockroach? So, hanap tayo doon sa baba ng ating, kasi nagluto ako, diba, ng rice. Nagluto ako ng rice. So, yan. So, look at my husband. La cucaracha. Cockroach. So, punta tayo sa baba. Tignan natin kung ilan na ba yung rice natin. Kung meron ba tayong rice pa natira. For sure, meron pa. Pero gusto kong malaman. Kasi, ha? I'm just gonna look something. Kasi kung malaman, kasi, dito tayo sa basement, no? Ang dami kasing mga paninda dito. Nagtinda na si Mr. guys. Yep, nagtinda na siya dito. Tignan nyo. Kita nyo naman ito sa reels niya, diba? So, yung tignan natin. Kasi, oy, meron pa. I know marami pa dito. Pero, kasi, ayaw ko nang bumili siya. Kasi meron akong planong bumili ng rice sa Food Bites. So, ngayon, hindi muna ako bibili doon sa Food Bites. Kasi ang ganda talaga ng rice nila, promise. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Aabutan pa ako ato ng 5 buwan. Matagal pa. Akala ko konti na lang kasi ayaw ko na siyang pabilhin, guys. Gusto ko ako na yung bibili para naman para ako na yung may pili sa bugas ba. Ako na yung may pumipili ng gusto kong kainin. Color ko itong asawa ko. So, yun, guys. So, yan. And, ano pa? Yan. So, ito yung mga paninda ni Mr. Basta si Tammy yung kasama ninyo, hindi talaga kayo magutom. So, yun. Hindi kayo magutom kung andito si kung andito kayo sa amin. So, yan. Pag may time na talaga, no, dalhin ko dito yung kapatid kong babae na isa. Bakasyon lang ba? And then, pwede dun yung isa. Pwede silang dalawa. You know. Anyway, yun lang. At ngayon, busy nga si Mr. Nagluluto siya, diba? Kasi meron siya. And then, ang tigas ng ulo. Gusto niya i-open yung pressure cooker, guys. Iwan ko na lang. Hindi pa naka-pressure. Ang pressure hindi pa lumabas. Gusto niyo open. Buti na lang smart itong pressure cooker. Nakalock talaga. So, yan. Buti na lang. Buti na lang talaga smart. At ito yung niluluto niya. Ano po ito? Corned beef daw yan. So, yan. At saka sobrang tender niya. Yun guys, pinabayaan ko lang siyang kasi hindi talaga okay din pakiramdam ko. And anyway, so hindi ko nagustuhan itong mga corned beef nila guys. Iwan ko, hindi ko siya feel. Guys, ang galing ng asawa ko. He is cooking. I rather cook my own beef, guys. Pero binili kasi ito ni Tammy. Wala akong choice kundi kakain sa niluto ni Mr. No? Kahit ayaw ko nito. Kainin natin. Ito guys, umaga na, pero hindi pa rin ako nagbihis kasi talagang ayaw kong magbihis kasi wala sa mood. At ito, nagluluto kami kasi iba-iba yung gusto namin. Ako gusto fried rice, siya naman scrambled egg. So yun, thank you so much guys for watching. Wala masyadong ganap. Kumakain lang kami dito. Oh, look at that, oh guys. My dishwasher husband and the laundry boy. Thank you, bye-bye. Bait mo naman. Pagkatapos namin kumain, inayos lang namin yung aming tax paper kasi this year kailangan namin i-file maaga kasi alam na kami yung magbabayad ngayon ng tax. Anyway, thank you so much. Is honey, gas or parking? Okay. I put it. Look at him. I'm printing, not printing, scanning, right hand? And he has connection over there. He's just gonna like